Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be putting new wheels on the Type R once again. Let's go. So for this winter season, I actually went back to my stock wheels. I put some Michelin Pilot Sport All Seasons on these stock wheels, and they do look nice. And of course I had to put some spacers on. These are 27mm spacers from Perrin, so I have it on the rear as well as the front. And they do look nice with the spacers. It sits flush, except on the passenger side for some reason. It kind of rubs on this fender right here if I go on bumps. So it only happens on the passenger side and not on the driver's side, so I don't know what the deal with that is. But hopefully with these new wheels, we're not going to get any rubbing. And these new wheels are 19 inches. And again, these will be my fourth set of wheels for this car. Yeah, let's see what it looks like on the car. So these are the wheels right here. I've already opened one because I got way too excited as soon as I got home from work. I saw that the wheels have been delivered. I've been waiting for about a month for these because they had to custom drill it. These aren't ceramic coated yet, so I'm going to do that as well. But yeah, let's do an unboxing of these wheels, and I'm going to do a wheel reveal, and let me know what you guys think of these wheels. Let's go. With this being my year-round / winter wheels, I've purchased the Continental Extreme Contact DWS06 Plus wheels. So I've had these on my Koenigs and I love them. They work really well in the snow, lots of grip, lots of traction, especially when it's raining out. So I went ahead and repurchased the same tires that I had on my Koenigs. Let's see the wheel. So these are the ESR RF2s and Hyper Silver. These are probably the best wheels that I have so far on the Type R. And I went to 4 sets of wheels, including the OEM Honda wheels, which are the 20 inches, which are these ones right here with the red pinstripe. See, with these lighter colored wheels, you know, it gives the car more character. Like, you can see the design of the wheel, whereas these black ones, you don't really notice them. But yeah, I'm loving them. And like, I thought it wasn't glossy enough, but it has just the right amount of gloss to it. It's not super shiny. Alright guys, so it's been a couple months since I put the wheels on the FK8 and so far so good. The only issues that I'm having at the moment is the rear, since this car is lowered, and as you can see it is rubbing on the fender just a little bit. It's like shaving off some of my tire, but that's only if my rear is just packed full of things that's heavy, because I bought cat litter from Petco and I bought about 120 pounds of cat litter, so that kind of made the car sink and rub onto the wheels. But other than that, normal driving without any passengers or without any groceries or any cargo, it's fine. And I even tried with passengers and it did completely fine. No rubbing. Like I said, it's only if you're carrying a bunch of stuff and you store it right here where the hatch part is. What I should have done was I should have just stored it where the rear seats are. And as far as keeping these wheels clean, they're pretty easy. Even if they are dirty, they still look nice on the car, because as you can see right now they are pretty dirty. So yeah, see how dirty they are. Even in the front where I get all the brake dust, it still looks fine. But yeah, what do you guys think of the new wheels? And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I also put a blue pinstripe right there where there used to be red, and then I also yellowed out the fog lights, which I think looks pretty nice. And this is the 11th gen. I put the aftermarket wheels back on. I figured since winter is over, might as well put the wheels back on. Let me know what you guys think. Do these wheels look nice on the 11th gen? How about on the FK8?